Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in my earlier videos, one of the essential items that I have said, of course based on my experience, while you travel to USA from Canada, is to get a USA SIM card while you are here in Canada itself. You can get it from Amazon and they deliver it and you can activate on time. And even in my last trip, I did that. But now, if you search, there are various options available to you where you don't actually need it. Let me tell you how. So go to Google and search for US Canada phone plans. You will find that various Canadian phone operators, be it Freedom, Rogers, Bell, even Fido, and there are more also. I of course I have not explored all of them, are offering phone plans that work in both US and Canada. And one of them I saw, I haven't switched it to yet, and and I don't know if I will or not, but that I found really interesting. That was Freedom Mobile nationwide. Like you can use it across the country and also across USA, and there's no additional fee. 50 GB data, unlimited calling between two countries, and very cheap. Now, I know anxiety many people have, especially when they go for a Canadian provider and then they travel in USA. They will have concerns about or questions or anxiety about the coverage because that is the most important thing. You don't want yourself out of reception somewhere in USA, right? So I think for this you can consult the companies. They should have a coverage map, something that they can share with you, and then you can decide that is this something I want to go for or not. But this is something you should definitely take a look at, especially if you are a frequent USA traveler like me, then definitely you should consider this plan. I'm definitely going to find out one of the plans for myself. I'm evaluating various operators, like I have plans from Rogers, Freedom, and other operators, and I'm going to find out the best for me, and then I'll take that call. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.